Let's take a look at some of these videos. They're going viral and getting millions of views on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. And it's easy to understand why. These videos instantly catch your attention and are designed to keep viewers watching until the very end. Many creators are growing their pages quickly by creating simple yet satisfying DIY-style videos. You'll find everything from colorful miniature paper crafts to incredibly realistic miniature creations. This type of content is highly visual, satisfying to watch, and capable of attracting millions of views across different platforms. But here's the exciting part. You don't actually need to make these crafts by hand anymore. With AI, you can create this type of content much faster and with far less effort. You don't need advanced crafting skills, expensive equipment, or hours of manual work. AI can help you create impressive visuals and turn them into engaging videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use AI to create colorful and creative papercraft designs, from simple paper crafts to adorable miniature creations. So if you love DIY crafts, creative projects, or simply want to see what AI can create, stay with me until the end. Let's get started and create some amazing colorful paper crafts with AI. Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. Step 1. Generate creative papercraft ideas. To come up with cute, creative, and engaging ideas for our papercraft project, I'll be using ChatGPT. Instead of trying to come up with every idea ourselves, we can simply tell ChatGPT what kind of papercraft we want to create and let AI give us different concepts to choose from. For example, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate 10 colorful and easy-to-make papercraft ideas, focusing on cute, creative, and eye-catching designs that would look great in a video. Once ChatGPT gives us the ideas, we can choose our favorite design and use it as the basis for the next step. For this tutorial, I'll choose the idea number 3, which is the 3D butterfly garden. I'll also ask ChatGPT to create a storyboard showing the actual papercraft creation process, from the very first step all the way to the finished flower garden. ChatGPT produced the creation image, but the design is too simple. So I asked ChatGPT to create a more complex design. This time, the result is even more beautiful, a colorful flower and butterfly garden. I really love how this one turned out, so I'll go with this design for our project. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a detailed text prompt for video generation, all in one continuous run for 15 seconds. And ChatGPT provided a complete text prompt for video generation. This will help us generate a smooth 15-second video that shows the flower and butterfly garden coming together from start to finish. Before we create the video, I'll first improve the quality of our finished papercraft image. I'll take a screenshot of the finished design and upload it to ChatGPT. Then, I'll ask ChatGPT to enhance the image quality and recreate it in a 16:9 landscape format. This gives us a cleaner and more detailed image that will work better as a reference for our video generation. And just like that, in a few seconds, our improved image is ready. Once you're happy with the result, simply download the image to your computer because we'll use it in the next step. Step 2. Video generation. To create the step-by-step video showing how to make this beautiful butterfly and flower garden, I'll be using Atlas Cloud AI. Atlas Cloud is a multimodal AI platform that brings together hundreds of AI models for video, image, audio, and text generation in one place. Instead of having to use a different platform for every AI model, Atlas Cloud gives you access to multiple models through a unified platform. What makes it especially useful for video generation is that you can choose from popular AI video models such as Veo, Kling, Vidu, Cdance, MiniMax H3, Wan, Hailuo, Luma, and Pixverse. Just name any popular AI video generation tool out there, and chances are Atlas Cloud has it available. Pretty amazing, right? To access Atlas Cloud, simply click the direct link I've provided in the video description below and sign in using your email account. Once you're on the Atlas Cloud homepage, we can start transforming our papercraft image into a video. Go to the Models section, and you'll find a wide range of AI tools, including image generators, video generators, music and song generators, and many more that can be useful for creating digital content. And here's the exciting part. Many of the popular AI image and video generation models available today can be accessed right here on one platform. So, to transform our butterfly and flower garden PaperCraft into a video, let's find a video generation tool that we can use. You can choose whichever video generation model you prefer. There are several great options available, so feel free to experiment with different ones. For this project, I'm going to use MiniMax H3 because it's one of the newer models available on the platform. I'll simply click MiniMax H3 image to video, and this will take us directly to the video generator. Now it's time to generate our video. First, we need to upload the image we want to animate. Next, upload the end image, which is the finished butterfly and flower garden, the final output we want the video to reach. Then, go back to ChatGPT and copy the detailed video generation prompt we created earlier. Paste that prompt into the MiniMax H3 image to video generator in Atlas Cloud. For the settings, I'll select 2K resolution to get a higher quality video and set the duration to 15 seconds. For the aspect ratio, select Adaptive. This allows the video to automatically match the aspect ratio of the image you uploaded. So, whatever the dimensions or orientation of your image are, the generated video will follow the same format. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate and wait for the video to finish processing. And once the video is ready, let's take a look at the result and see how well AI has transformed our PaperCraft images into a complete step-by-step creation video. This video turned out so cute, and I absolutely love it. I really love how the little flowers and butterflies come together step by step to create the finished garden. The colors are beautiful, and the whole process looks so satisfying to watch. Honestly, I'm really happy with how this one turned out. And here's another PaperCraft project I created using MiniMax H3 and Atlas Cloud. This little treehouse is absolutely adorable. I love how the details, colors, and tiny paper elements come together to create such a charming miniature world. And this is just one example of what you can create with AI. You can experiment with different ideas, designs, colors, and characters to create your own unique PaperCraft projects. Now it's your turn to create your own PaperCraft animation with AI. There are so many cute and creative ideas you can bring to life. Just let your imagination run wild, think outside the box, and get creative. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a try and see what you can create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tutorials, creative ideas, and fun projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.